Assalamualaikum and good evening, guys. Today we will be doing the second part of the video, which is installing Sftp server on the Ubuntu. Okay. Firstly, I have provided the guidelines earlier. Can open it here. Then, firstly, we have to install the SSH server because the SSH server are already building with Sftp server. Okay, let's open the terminal and then install the SSH sudo apt install SSH. Provide your password. Okay, yes. Okay, give it a minute. And then we will be updating the config file for the SSH by using the command sudo nano /etc/ssh/sshd_config. And then if the first line we have backslash, we have to remove it. And then at the last line, okay, you have to paste this setting. Okay, paste it. Okay, save it. Yes, save. And then you have to restart the SSH server by applying the sudo systemctl restart SSH. Okay, the SSH services has been restarted, and then you have to create the Sftp group by doing sudo echo Sftp, whatever you want to name it. Okay, and then add the user under the Sftp group. You sudo user add and the username which is Rafi-sftp. My username -g sftp. Okay, and then you have to modify that user, the Rafi-my -sftp sudo password Rafi-my -sftp. Set the new password. C3. Let me try again by using my IC number. 3. Okay, 3. Okay, updated. And then you have to give the Rafi-my SFTP permission to access the home folder using sudo chmod 700 home / the user Rafi-my -sftp. Okay, then we'll try to connect with the server. Firstly, let us try to connect with FileZilla. Open our Windows, FileZilla. Okay, entering the host 192.168.56.10. The username Rafi-my -sftp. Okay, the port number for SFTP is 22. Let us connect. Okay, and now we have successfully connected to our SFTP server using the username from the Ubuntu. You can see the file here. The local user for rafmy-sftp. Okay, this is how we install the SFTP server. Thank you. Hello guys, and welcome to the part 3, which is installing the web server. For this tutorial, I will be installing WordPress. The CMS can be considered as a web server. Okay. Firstly, I found a boot source here, which we will go through together by installing WordPress. How we can install WordPress on Ubuntu. Firstly, open our terminal. The first step is to install the dependency. Okay. First, as usual, I'll do all the drivers. Okay, then install all the requirement dependency for the WordPress, which is Apache. Apache 2 slash ghost script backslash lib Apache 2 -1 -ext. Check our spelling with Apache 2. Okay. Slash MySQL server slash PHP bcnet backslash PHP pro backslash PHP magic backslash PHP identical backslash and PHP JSON slash PHP and the strings. Okay, PHP connection with SQL and PHP XML slash PHP zip. Okay, yes, and this will take some time, guys. I hope you can bear with me. Okay, then we have installed all the dependency, and now we will be installing the WordPress itself. Okay, let us just copy this one so we don't make any mistake. Spelling. Okay, sudo join for permission, and then we have to install the code install code. Give it a minute. Okay, we can install it now. Here is okay. This is the loading time, the loading percentage. Let us wait for it. Okay, there we are. We have to install our WordPress, and then we have to configure the Apache itself by creating this file. Okay, sudo touch no such directory. Oh, slash. Okay, and then we want to edit it, so we don't run now. Yes, this again. Okay, then we can copy this PHP. Okay, Apache. Just paste it. And then save it. Yes. Okay. Copy command. Okay. Proceed. Sudo rewrite. Copy this command again. Okay, and then we can skip this step and reload this Apache. We reload this Apache. Okay, done. The Apache configuration is done, and then move to the MySQL. Okay, firstly we need to connect to our MySQL server. Okay, let's create the database name. Just name it as Wordpress, and then create user WordPress localhost identified by my password. Can use ABC123 as usual. Okay, and then run the operation. Select insert, update, delete, create, drop, alter. Okay, for the WordPress database name WordPress. Okay, to WordPress local host. Okay, and then refresh privilege. Okay, then create. Okay, and then let's connect our WordPress with the database. Just copy link. Okay, now we will configuring the connection between between WordPress and the MySQL database. Database is a default, so we don't change anything. The username also are the same, so we just paste it. But for the password, we have to use our setup password. Just paste it in your password. We have to define our previous set password. Enter, and then we just apply this command to terminate the session. Okay, now we have to delete these few lines, which will be removing the authentication, so it will enter our connection. Okay, just save it. Okay, then let us try from the server itself by going to the local host. Okay, now we have WordPress installed. Just proceed with the installation package on the web page. The title, just put test, your username, which I set up, confirm, your email. Okay, just pick this for now, so that the search engine won't charge our web. Okay, let's try to log WordPress. Proceed. Go to the setting, general. Change this to the server IP, which is 56.10. It's also 2.168.56.10. Okay, save it. Okay, and then let's try to our Windows. It should be able to connect with the web server, which is our WordPress. Okay, now we just connected to the Ubuntu web server. Let's verify the login of our WordPress. Oops. Okay, ABC180. Okay, there we are. We have our web server installed. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.